I'm sure you've come across the term trade secret, but do you truly understand what it means? For those of you who run your own business, do you know if your trade secrets are protected? I'm L.A. Perkins, a brand protection attorney. I help business owners identify and protect their intellectual property assets, including trade secrets. I make videos just like this, educating business owners in all industries, from small to large companies, so they can protect their intellectual property assets. Make sure to check out some of my other videos on my website and YouTube channel, and like, subscribe, and share. In this video, I'm going to explain what a trade secret is and why it's important to protect them. A trade secret is business, financial, and technical information kept confidential by its owner through reasonable efforts and economically valuable because the information is not generally known. For example, trade secrets can be business and financial plans, customer lists, methods, processes, recipes, and other customer information. When I think of trade secret, I think about the time that I went to the Coca-Cola factory in Atlanta, Georgia. And there they had the Coca-Cola formula in a safe, and it was guarded with a guard, and I think it was an armed guard. You couldn't get anywhere near that safe. And that is a very extreme example of keeping a trade secret confidential. Trade secrets are not registered like patents, copyrights, and trademarks. Instead, reasonable efforts must be made to keep the information confidential. For example, never giving your passwords to anyone, keeping hard copies of trade secret information in locked files or cabinets, never giving confidential information to customers or other people outside of the company unless authorized by management or the recipient has signed a non-disclosure agreement. A trade secret may be better for your business because you can keep the information confidential, unlike a patent where the information becomes public. The reason it is important for you to know about trade secrets so you can stop other individuals or companies from using and profiting off of your trade secrets. Imagine how detrimental it could be to your company if a former employee stole your trade secrets and turned them over to a competitor. I've represented companies who have protected their trade secrets, and as a result, they were able to stop former employees from using that information with their competitors. Unfortunately, I have worked with other clients who had no leverage because they took no steps to safeguard their trade secret information. In the case where my client protected its trade secrets by having its employees sign a confidentiality, non-compete, and non-disclosure agreement, I was able to file a lawsuit and get a court order restricting the former employee from using the trade secret information. The employee had taken my client's customer lists with contact information and set up a competing business. The former employee had reached out to my client's customers to sell a similar product, knowing my client's pricing information. If my client had not taken steps to protect its trade secrets, it would have been challenging or perhaps not possible to stop the former employee from using my client's trade secret information. The appropriate action for protecting a company's trade secrets is case specific. So how can you protect yourself from having your trade secrets compromised or even stolen? The first thing you should do is seek advice from an attorney who has experience in this area and can guide you on how best to protect your company's trade secrets. Do you know what trade secrets you have and whether you are protected from trade secret theft? If you are a business owner in Florida with proprietary business information or trade secrets, and you want to make sure that you are protected, please reach out. We can schedule a complimentary consultation and put together a plan of action moving forward. I hope this video helped you gain insight into what trade secrets are and why it is so important to protect them.